After we've set up the table for all of these problems, we're doing the equation. So the equation comes out easily. They just focus on this last product column, and it's almost always that product plus this one equals that one for your equation. So that's all they need to remember. So they'll put 26a, and they could go ahead and multiply it now, or they could just leave it like in the factor form and then multiply it later. And then it equals this product total here, equals 1668. And I'll leave you the solution for you to do. So let's just continue on with each of these. And there is a solution paper that you'll find in the resources here. Here's Javier. So again, we take this one plus this equals that one. So it's 0.25 times 2d plus 0.10 times d equals $9. And in the coin ones, if they elect to leave out the decimal points, that's fine, but they need to do it out of each term here. So all three of these, you'd have to leave them out. Okay, number 3 equation, the same thing. As you can see, there gets to be a pattern, which the kids should see too. 0.25 times 400 plus 1s equals the rest of that, 0.40 times 400 plus s. And then they go ahead and solve. And same with this one. The equation here would be the sum of those two is n plus 2 is less than, now this one's got the is less than, those 3 words together, 80. So I think I'll go through and finish up this one. We get our 2n plus 2, and you subtract your 2's. So 2n is less than 78, divide. So n is less than 39. So we're looking for even numbers that are less than 39. So we substitute in here, the n would have to be 38, and the n plus 2 would be 38 plus 2, or 40. So those are the two solutions there. Okay, this one here, number 5, comes to these 3 again. So 0.70 times 80 plus 0. Go ahead and multiply those together, equals 0.50 times 80 plus w. And number 6 are the 2 airplanes that are flying, and hopefully we can see all these. And again, it's the same thing, 3 times 350 plus 3p equals 1950. And that will give you the other speed. And then the last one here is the measure of the angles. It says the sum of the measure of its supplement. So the sum of the measure of the supplement and twice the measure of its complement, that's an A, is 204 degrees. And what are they, again, what are they asking for? Find the measure of the angle. So all they want to do is find what A equals. They don't care about what the supplement is or the complement. Okay, and then just one other thing on this first one here, after you get through solving it, it comes out to be, see, A equals 51. And then again, if you look at the resources on here, there's a sign that says, what is the question? And I would have the students say, okay, after you finish solving it, what is the question here? So they go up here and they say, how many students? That's your question, how many students? And so then they go to students, and it goes to how many. So they know they need to subtract your answer. So 70 take away 51. Here would be 19 is the number of students. Okay, so it's important for them to look for the question each time when they're through solving. Well, I hope this helps. There's another worksheet on your own worksheet, and it takes you through the same problems but different parts to them. And then they can go through. And first day they do this table setup, and the second day they do the equation and the solving. And there's an answer sheet and a setup, the solution key for those as well in the resources. Yeah, I hope this helped.